Two workers at Modern Industries are rushed to the hospital after being burned on their upper bodies. That accident happening around 2:30 this afternoon. According to Deputy Fire Chief Jeff Carroll, the two workers were trying to light a furnace, but due to a gas buildup, an explosion occurred. The workers were taken to the hospital. There was no reported damage, though, to the building.
They're still in operation. Everything's going normally. That furnace has been taken offline for the time to check it out.
The exact cause of that explosion remains under investigation.